Tracked? That is not.
Try me. Real.
Thing, it will not stick. Now if you
Try me. Real.
I just found this $1 bill. Is it?
Try me. Real.
Today, we're testing gold.
Real.
Today, we're testing gold.
Real.
Testing silver with a magnet to see if it's fake part 2.
Okay guys, so this is part 2 me explaining how you can test for real and fake silver. Now the first chain we've got in question is a stainless steel chain, and the second chain we've got in question is a real sterling silver chain. Now if you haven't watched part 1, please go and watch that, because I explain that you should look for these markings first when you're testing for fake silver. Now if you get a stainless steel chain and test it with a magnet, it will stick to the magnet. But if you get a real sterling silver chain and you try and do the same thing, it will not stick. Now if you want me to do any more videos on this, please comment what you would like me to do and make sure you like and follow.
How to make a paper.
Try me. Real. Try me. Real. Try me. Real. Try me. Real. I can do better. Where did it all go? Try me. Fake. Try me. Wow, so cool. Try me. Wow. Fake.
No! It's on the island. 20,000.
Real.
Spaghetti! Spaghetti sauce!
Good job. Try me. Real.
I just found this $1 bill. Is it?
Try me. Real.
Today, we're testing gold.
Real.
It's
floaty. Try me. Real.
No thanks. Come on.
Good job. Try me. Real.
Which is 20s, 5s, 10s, 50s, and 100s.
Try me. Real. Try me. Fake. Try me.
No thanks. Come on.
Good job. Try me. Real.
It's floaty.
Try me. Real. Try me. Real.
Which is 20s, 5s, 10s, 50s, and 100s.
Try me. Real. Try me. Fake. Try me. Real. Try me. Real. Real. Try me. Fake.
Spaghetti sauce!
Good job. Fake.
It's on the island. 20,000.
Real. Try me.